But looks like it's about halfway done. Now on libav codec. Yeah, I want to find out about this libav 0.8 patch. Libav 0.8. Okay. So this is a puppy Linux issue. For libav, the second patch is needed afterwards. Are they? And I think libav patch. Let's take a look. Okay, that's our source. So there just was a mixing include. That sounds harmless, as long as there's a mathematics.h there in the old version. Let's go ahead and look at, while that's going, oh no. So we want libsource, because this is what we're building against most of the time, and that's ff, what do we call it? Do we call it libav? No. ffmpeg. cd libav util, and there's your mathematics.h. So we'll be fine with applying that patch. Okay. How are we doing? Sometimes you just gotta wait. In the meantime, we can look at. Yeah, I don't want to patch just yet. But I want to look at. Let's look at our ffmpeg importer. I'm gonna look at that patch again. What was it called? Yeah. So these apply to ffmpeg.h and ffmpeg.cpp. So let's look at this. And we don't need my head, because this is much more interesting. And then let's also pull up, what do we want? Source ffmpeg.h. I don't know what that error message means. But it happens a lot. So, first thing we're doing is defining these things. We're on line 47. So right here, we're just sticking a bunch of stuff in. And that's when it's newer than a pretty new value. Okay, and so maybe these are new options. Okay, looks like it's almost done. Let's just wait it out. Alright, so we got ffmpeg here. Let's run it without installing it. See what happens. So version 8.1, good. With libav util, libav format 53.5.0. So maybe there's a way to see what they mean. Yeah, how do you tell? That's probably using the what do you call that? Hold on just a sec. Once I install, I bet it's a little bit different. So if I just run ffmpeg, these are probably going to be the same. 9.1, 8.0, 5.0, right? Yeah, those are the same. So because those are libraries, and so it's just going through my path. But if I do like, is it library LD? What is it? LD L. Whoa. Whoa. LD library path like that. I don't export it. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here. Why does that keep happening? So I'm gonna do that equals, yeah, we'll just put it here. And then I'm gonna run ffmpeg. Okay, that didn't change anything. But now if I do libav format like that, also didn't change anything. God, well, maybe I should just install it. I could have installed it to a separate folder, but then I have to worry about switching everything, library and ffmpeg. Okay, so in libav format, you can see there should be a or some kind of library. And we expect it to be called libav format. So that is here. Yeah. So that libav format is probably not being called. But okay, I'm just going to install it. Why not? So see, it installed all the A's. So now when we do mpeg, we still get that old version. Libav format still 53.5.0. Let's look at the documentation, because the version libav format version 53.7. Let's type that. Yeah, so there's a 53.7.0. And they're just doing a sudo make install, right? Huh. Look at his libav format version. Yeah, they're using strange numbers. There's probably some like logical system to it, but I don't get it right now. This probably has it. So libav codec. This is version. I wonder if Audacity is in here now. No. Oh, it's in there. So, what was I doing? I was trying to figure out the version. Yeah. So it doesn't say much about version. Yeah, and this doesn't have it either. I just want to figure out what the version should be. So someone says 7.0. Yeah, so when I downloaded this, it said I was getting 0.7.4. Right? Oh wait, libav master of that, libav So it could be that they're talking about the libav that ships with the ffmpeg 0.7 or whatever. That's what I think Benjamin is talking about. Because these are released as ffmpeg releases. So libav version ffmpeg 53.